I hope you are all well. Today I have brought a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video. People who are not good at knitting can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both basic and advanced video on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube videos. In this video, you will find many kitchen designs which are very beautiful. People can make and sell such articles, designs at home and start their own small business. There is also a lots of demand. To create designs item to decorate your home. If you want to decorate your table, you can make many things like pumpkins, mirror, table decorations items. You can make many things with knitting crochet, such as shoulder bag, mobile holder, sweaters, socks, home decorations ideas, home decorations things. You can make anything. You just need to know how to make knitting crochet. If you want, you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. Today I have brought a new video for you which contain created crochet blanket designs. If you like the designs, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In this video you will get to see all the decorations ideas, and there are also many decoration pieces which are very beautiful and cute. You can make whatever you like yourself. If you don't know how to knitting, you can learn on YouTube. You will find basic video on YouTube, and on my YouTube channel you will get ideas. You can see any designs and make it. There is a huge demand of knitting crochet during the winter seasons. If you make it yourself and sell it, you will make a lots of profit. Create a small brand on Instagram. Want you can learn how to stitch without a stitch. First you have to practice the loop. If you make the loop well, then the first step of our knitting is very good. Then we work on knitting and we can easily make any shape we want to give it, whatever it is sweaters. You can also take basic classes on YouTube, and if you want, you can learn to do step by step. First you have to practice the loop. If you make the loop well, then the first step of our knitting is very good.